morning to all. Today we are going to enter the new academic year 2021 to 22. Okay children, we are going to start our new session, and what subject we are going to see today? EVS. See, EVS. Full form of EVS is Environmental Studies. Okay children, and lesson number 1 in semester 1 book. M, E, me, A and G and, M, Y, my, F, A, M, I, L, Y, family. Okay, what is our first lesson? Me and my family. We are going to discuss about me and my family. That's what we are going to see, children. Before entering into the lesson, I am going to give you small takeoff. Okay, children. You as your kids, I am going to spell it out one by one. You have to listen carefully and you have to tell them. Okay, children. Shall we start to read the sentence first? W-R-I-T-E, right. T-H-E, the. F-I-R-S-T, first. L-E-T-T-E-R, letter. O-F, T-H-E, the. P-I-C-T-U-R-E, picture. Okay? See, I am repeating it again. See, children. Write the first letter of the picture. What we have to do? We have to write the first letter of the given picture in the blanks. That only they given here. Okay, children. And then what we have to do? See, J-O-I-N, join. T-H-E, the. L-E-T-T-E-R-S, letters. A-N-G, and. S-E-E-C, W-H-O, who, Y-O-U-U, F-I-N-G, fine. Okay, see, write the first letter of the picture in the blank, and what we have to do? We have to join the letters and see who you find. Okay, children. Shall we do that, children? Okay, children. Very good. See, what is the first picture they have given here, children? What it is? Yes, what it is? Mug. Isn't it? What it is? Mug. What it say? Write the first letter of the picture. What is the spelling for mug, children? See, M-U-G, mug. Isn't it? And what they say? They said that we have to write only the first letter. Isn't it? So instead of write the, I have written already the full spelling for mug. So I am going to just underline the first letter of this mug, of this picture. Okay, children. See, and what is the next picture given here? What it is? Egg. What it is? Egg. Okay. E-G-G, egg. Isn't it? E-G-G, egg. And what they given? We have to write only the first letter. Isn't it? So I just underlining the first letter given here. And what we have to do? We have to join the letters and we have to find what it is. Okay? I've written the first letter and we have to join these two letters and we have to find what it is. Okay? What is the first letter here? N. And what is the second? This first letter here? E. And what we got? Yes, we got me. We got what? We got me. So we are going to see about us in this lesson. Okay, children, what we are going to see? We are going to see about us in this lesson. Okay, children. Okay, are you all clear about it? What we are going to see here? Yes, very good, children. And what is the next topic we are going to see? See, children. I-A-M-S-P-E-C-I-A-L, special. I am special, isn't it? Each one of us is special in their activities, in their doing things, whatever it may be. They will read, they used to play, they used to read books, they used to watch TV, whatever the things, they were special in any separate things, isn't it? Like maybe drawing or reading or playing, whatever it is, they are special in their things, isn't it? That only we are going to see here. Okay, children. Before that, I am going to spell it out one by one. With me, you are going to spell. Okay, children. See, W-E-B. Okay, A or E or A-L-L or G-I-F-F-E or E-N-T, different. F or O-M, from. E-A-C-H, each. O-T-H-E or other. What is said in this line, children? See, we are all different. We are all different, which means, what is meant by we are all not same, is it? Or we are looking same, children? Or you are looking same, or all same in all the activities, by reading books, whatever it may be, by watching or playing, or all same, children? Or we are all same? No, isn't it? We are all different, isn't it? We are all different, okay, from each other, isn't it? You have lot of friends. You may have found we are all different, okay, children? Then what is it next? B-U-T, but. E-A-C-H, each. O-N-E, one. O-F, off. U-S, as. I-S, is. S-P-E-C-I-A-L, special. But what does it, children? See? But each one of us is special, isn't it? But each one of us is special. They have maybe any special talents, isn't it? Might be someone they used to draw very well, some may they used to play very well, some may they used to read very well, isn't it? Many of the some may cook very well, some may run, some may very well in sports, some may be very well in reading, whatever it may be. They have many special things, isn't it? That only they said here, we are all different from each other. That means we are all not same, and each one of us has special things in us, isn't it? So we have two pictures here. See, the one is boy and another one is girl. Okay, what is boy saying now? Shall we see what he is saying? Okay, see, children. H-E-L-L-O, hello. F-R-I-E-N-D-S, friends. Hello, friends. And my mind, that means this boy. My, N-A-M-E, name. I-S is Sham. S-H-Y-A-M, Sham. My name is Sham. I-A-M-M, yeah, boy. B-O-Y, boy. I am a boy. And what he's saying about him? First he said, hello friends, my name is Sean. And what he is saying? I am a boy. And what he is saying next? I-A-M-I-M, S-I-X, 6, Y-E-A or as years, O-L-D, old. I am 6 years old. What you said, children? See? Hello friends, my name is Sean. I am a boy. I am 6 years old. As you all study first standard, your age is also 6, isn't it, children? So he is like your friend, and his name is what? His name is Sean. He is saying that he is a boy, okay? And his age is 6 years. Okay, that what he said about this boy. Okay, then shall we look at the girl, what he is saying? See, M-Y, my, N-A-M-E, name, I-S-S, S-H-E-R-L-Y, Shirley. Okay, and what her name? Her name is Shirley. And what she is saying about next? See, I-A-M-I-N, here, G-I-R-L, girl. What she is saying? I am a girl. I-A-M-M, S-I-X, Y-E-A-R-S. years. O-L-D, old. T-O-O-2. What she is saying? She is also 6 years old too. Okay, what she is saying? Her name is Shirley and she is a girl and she is also 6 years old too. Okay, there is a something special thing about them, isn't it? He is a boy and she is a girl, but both are same age, isn't it? That only they are saying here about the special. We are all different from each other, but each one of us is special. Okay, children? Okay, children. Next, what we are going to see here in this lesson, me and my family, we are going to see about my. M-Y, my. B-I-R-T-H-D-A-Y, birthday. What we are going to see? We are going to see about my birthday. Okay? Birthday is a special day, isn't it? Everyone has their birthday, isn't it, children? Birthday, what we all do? You will wear new dress, you will give chocolates to others, you will enjoy, cut a cake, we will family, all family will gather at the day, we all enjoy, isn't it? Okay, children, that only we are going to see here on this birthday special. Okay, children, shall we start reading first one by one, because reading is very, very important, children. You must all know how to read it. Okay, children, that only I am here practicing you how to read it. Okay, children, here I am giving you a practice. Let's listen to me, children, and also read it. Okay, see, W-E-V, C-E-L-E-B-R-A-T-E, celebrate. Okay, see, V, celebrate. T-H-E, the, D-A-Y, day. W-E-V, W-E-R-E, where. Okay, B, go or and born. For this is C, B, celebrate. We what we do? We celebrate, we enjoy. Okay, we celebrate the day we were born. We celebrate the day we were born. That day is known as what, children? Yes, very good. That day is known as birthday. See, the P-H-I-S, this, S-P-E-C-I-A-L, special, D-A-Y, day, I-S-S, and K and O, W and no, A-S-S. See what it is? Birthday. Okay, children, see, you must know spelling for birthday also. Okay, children, everybody will cross across this birthday, isn't it? Everybody have birthdays, and the children, you will enjoy in the day, isn't it? Okay, see what they said about the birthday. We celebrate the day we were born. This special day is known as what, children? Yes, very good, children. The special day is known as, yes, birthday. Okay, children, what is said about that? That only we are going to see. Okay, children, shall we see that? See, O-N-R, O-U-R-R, D-I-R-T-H-D-A-Y, birthday. Okay, on our birthday. W-E-V, W-E-A-R, wear, year, and E-W, new, D-R-E-S, yes, born, dress, isn't it? See, on our birthday, what we will do? We wear new dress, isn't it? All of you did it, isn't it, right, children? See, on our birthday, what we will do first? We will wear new dresses, very beautiful new dress. Most of us will wear, isn't it, children? Okay, then what we will do? Shall we start with reading, children? See, W-E-V-I-N-V-I-T-E, invite, go, you or other, F-R-I-E-N-D-S, friends. Okay, we invite our friends, A and D and C-U-T, cut, yeah, C-A-K-E-K, see that only they are saying here. And then what we will do? Shall we see it as what it is? See, WEVGIVE, give. What you will give? See, CHOCOLATES, chocolates. TOFRIENDS, friends. What we will do? We give chocolates also to our friends, isn't it? When you going to school, what you will do? You will give chocolates to your friends, isn't it? And also TEACHERS, what it is? Teachers. ATSCHOOL, school. And also you will give chocolates to your teachers. And it's in school. If you go to school, means what you will do? You will give chocolates to your friends, and also you will give chocolates to your teachers also. Isn't it children? All things will happen when? It's on your birthday. What it is said to be? It is said to be a one special day. Isn't it children? See, and then what will happen? WEVGET, GIFTS, gifts, ON, THIS, this, DAYJ. See, we get lot of gifts on this day, isn't it? It also happy for you, isn't it children? Okay, what we saw about our birthday? We celebrate the day we were born. That day is known as what children? Yes, very good. That day is known as birthday. And what you will do on that birthday? We wear new dress and we will call our friends and we will cut a cake and we will distribute to all your family members, and you all will eat and you all will enjoy whatever the things your whole family will enjoy on your birthday. Isn't it children? Okay, and then what you will do if you go to school? You give chocolates to your friends and also to your teachers. Isn't it? And also what you get? You get gift. What you get? You get gift on that day also. Isn't it children? Okay, that only they said about what? Birthday. Isn't it children? Then what we are going to see? The next topic is, see, MY, my, FAVOURITE, favorite, THINGS, things. What it is children? My favorite things. Each of us has some favorite things, isn't it? Someone likes chocolates, someone likes to play football, some specific games, like someone likes to play football, someone likes to sing, someone likes to dance, someone likes to swim, someone likes to read books, isn't it? So each of them have many special, some many favorite things to do, isn't it children? That only they said here. Shall we start read first children? Okay, see, WEV, okay, WEVALLOGOUMANY, many, THINGS, things. We all do many things. EVERY, every, DAYJ, we all do many things every day, isn't it? We all, but after waking up, what we will do? We will brush our teeth, we will take bath, and we will watch TV, we will have a breakfast, and what we will do? We will play, and evening time, what you will do? You will read, isn't it? Well, many things you will do in your day, isn't it? But, what is it? See, but, 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 THERE, that, AOR, ja, FEW, few, THINGS, things, THAT, the. But there are a few things. We will do many things in every day. But a few things that we LIKE, like, TO, do, 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 THE, the, the most. That most things that we like to do is known as what, children? That is said to be a favorite things. Okay, children, that only they said here. Okay, we are doing many things in every day. Each and every day we are doing many things. But we all like to do one single thing. That thing is known as what, children? Favorite thing. They or T-H-E-Y. They, A or E or O, U or our, F-A-V-O-U or I-G-E. Favorite, T-H-I-N-G-S. Things. Okay, children, see, we all do many things every day, but there are a few things that we like to do the most. They are our favorite things. Okay, children, we are going to see some of their favorite things. Okay, see what we are going to see. Just what they said. Listen carefully, children. What? R-E-A-D. Read aloud. What you have to do? You have to read aloud what these children have to say. Okay? Read with me, children. You have to read with me. Okay? See? Read aloud what these children have to say. Okay, children? See? Have you all? What is this picture, children? See? One boy and one girl, isn't it? What they doing? They both are reading books. What they doing, children? They both are reading books. So their favorite thing is what? Read books, isn't it? See, that only they said here. Children, see, W-E-V. See, V, A or E or F or I-E-N-D-S. Friends. We are friends. W-E-V-L-I-K-E. Like. G-O-2 or E-A-D. Read. B-O-O-K-S. Book. See, in this picture itself, we can easily say what these two kids are doing. They are friends and they are reading. So their favorite things is to read books. Okay, children? And then, what is the next one? See, what this picture? See, what this girl is doing, children? What this girl is doing? Yes, what she is doing? She is dancing, isn't it? What she is doing? She is dancing. So, her favorite what? So, her favorite is dancing. And what her name? Shall we see what her name? See, what she is telling? M-Y, my, N-A-M-E name is G-O-L-L-Y, Jolly. What her name, children? See, her name is Jolly. And what she like? What she is saying? See, I-L-I-K-E, like, G-O-2-D-A-N-C-E, dance. Okay, so her name is Jolly and she likes to dance. Okay, next, what is the next picture? See what it is? She is also a girl. Okay, what she is doing in this picture, children? What she is doing? Yes, she is singing, isn't it? She is singing. So shall we see what her name and what her favorite? Okay, see, my, M-I, N-A-M-E, name, I-S-S-S-H-A-L-U. What is? Shalu. Her name is Shalu. And what she like? She, I-L-I-K-E. What she saying, children? I like to, S-I-N-G. Sing. She likes to sing, isn't it? Okay. What we saw? We saw three pictures here. Here there are friends. What they doing? They reading books. So their favorite thing is to read books. And what is the next picture we saw? Here we saw about dancing. Her favorite thing is to dance. And what is the third picture we saw? Here we saw she is singing. So her favorite thing is singing. Like that, each one of us have many favorite things, like to swim, like to play things, and like to read storybooks. things. That only they discuss here, children. See, I am going to read it again. Listen to me, children. See, we all do many things every day, but there are a few things that we like to do the most. They are our favorite things. Okay, children, what we have saw today in this lesson, me and my family, we have saw about some takeoff, isn't it? We have saw some takeoff about me, and I said you about the two pictures. We have taken the first lesson, and we have found out me, and then we saw about I am special. In that I showed you about two children. Okay, the one is boy and another one is girl. They said about their name, and they introduced about themselves by saying their name, and they said about he is boy and she is girl, and they both are 6 years old too, isn't it? That we have discussed. And what we have discussed about my birthday. In that what we saw, we celebrate the day that we were born. That day is known as birthday, isn't it? And what that day what we will do, we wear new dress and we invite our friends and we cut a cake or cut and all we did, isn't it? And also we invite our friends and we cut a cake, and what we will do when we go to school, we give chocolates, and also we give chocolates to our friends and also to our teachers and all, and also we get lot of gift on that day. That only we have discussed here. And we saw about favorite things. What is mean by favorite things? We do many things every day, and few things we like to do here. That things are known as favorite things. And I showed you the pictures here, isn't it? These two friends are reading, and she is singing and she is dancing, isn't it? That and all we have some. Okay, children, based on this, me and my family, just we are going to see one activity, children. Okay, children, we have to listen it. Okay, children, shall we start to watch the activity now?
Hello, children. What we saw in the lesson? Me and my family, isn't it? And what was the topic we have discussed, children? We have discussed about I am special, my birthday, and my favorite things, isn't it? Okay, shall we start to see I am special? Yes, what we saw here, children, we are all different from each other, isn't it? But each one of us is special. See what here the boy is saying. Hello friends, my name is Shyam. I am a boy. I am 6 years old. What he is saying, children? He is introduced himself by saying his name. His name is Shyam. And who is he? He is a boy and he is 6 years old. And see, children, here we have another picture. What picture it is? It is a girl picture, isn't it? What she is saying? Hello friends, my name is Shirley. I am a girl. I am 6 years old too. What she is saying, children? She is introducing herself by saying her name, and she is saying that she is a girl and she is also 6 years old too. So each one of us is special and they are different from each other, isn't it? They have different name, and he is a boy and she is a girl, so they are different from each other, isn't it, children? Okay, shall we move to the next? See, children, what you can see in this picture? You are seeing birthday party, isn't it? A girl is celebrating birthday parties with her friends and with her mother and father, and she is getting lot of gifts. She wearing new dress and also she has a cake for ready to cut, isn't it, children? Okay, what I said you about birthday, children? when we celebrate the birthday? We celebrate the day we were born. What it is? We celebrate the day we were born. This special day is known as birthday. Isn't it, children? What we will do on our birthday, children? On our birthday, we wear a new dress, isn't it? On our birthday, we wear a new dress. We invite our friends. See, in this picture itself, she had 4 friends, isn't it? See, we invite our friends, and what we will do? We will cut a cake, isn't it, children? And also, if you go to school, means what you will do? You give chocolates to your friends, isn't it? And also to your teachers, and also you will get lot of gift on this day. You will enjoy on your birthday, isn't it, children? See, in this picture she is enjoying with her families and also with her friends by cutting a cake, isn't it, children? So what I said to you about birthday? We celebrate the day we were born. What does mean by celebrate, children? It is mean by to show that a day is important by doing something special. Okay, so here the something special is about our birthday. Okay, so we are celebrating our birthday, that the day we were born. That special day is known as, what is known as, children? It is birthday. Okay, here this picture clearly shows that she is celebrating her birthday with her friends and her families by wearing new dress and cutting the cakes, and she is getting a gift. Okay, children, this is about birthday. Okay, shall we move next? Topic is about favorite things. Okay, children, now we are going to see about favorite things. Okay, children, what is known as favorite? Something that you like the most, isn't it? Something you like the most is known as favorite. We all do many things every day, isn't it, children? We will watch TV, we used to read books, we used to play, and whatever it is we used to do many things every day. But there are a few things that we like to do the most. That is known as our favorite things, isn't it, children? See here, the boy what is doing here, children? He is playing a football, isn't it? So he likes to play football. So here the boy is playing football. He likes to play football very much. See, children, in this picture what you can see, a girl is singing, isn't it? So this girl like to sing very much. So her favorite thing is to sing. Okay, children? See, children, in this picture what you can see, here the girl is dancing, isn't it? She is dancing. So she likes to dance very much. So her favorite thing is to dance. See, children, in this picture what you can see, a boy is swimming, isn't it? So this boy like to swim. Okay, so his favorite thing is to swim. Okay, children? See, children, what you can see in this picture, it is a park, isn't it? And many of them were playing. What they doing? One boy is playing a football, one boy is skating, and one boy is sliding, and 2 friends were playing in the ground, isn't it? There are lot of things to do. It's their favorite, that means playing. Okay, so they like to play together. They are enjoying by playing, isn't it? So these are their favorite things. See, children, in this picture what these children are doing, they are riding a bicycle, isn't it? They are friends, and every evening they used to ride a bicycle and they go for a long ride with their friends. So their favorite thing what? Is to ride a bicycle. They will enjoy by doing this every evening. See children, in this picture what you can see, here boy is reading, isn't it? So he likes to read story books. Okay, so he likes to read story books. Okay children, what we saw about favorite things, we do all many things every day, but there are a few things that we like to do the most. There are our favorite things, isn't it? And what we have saw, we saw a boy playing football, and a girl is dancing, and another girl is singing, and one boy is swimming, and many friends are playing in the park, and some of them were riding a bicycle, and here the boy is reading. So there are many favorite things to go, isn't it? So children, what we have discussed today, we have discussed about I am special, my birthday, and is about favorite things. And then I am going to show you one small worksheet children. Listen it and do it children. That is your homework. Okay children, shall we start to see that? See children, now we are going to see how to write classwork. Okay children, this is your EVS classwork. Okay, you have to take 4-line note, take a fresh page. Okay, put today's date 2/7/21. Okay, what is our lesson number 1? Me and my family, isn't it? So you have to write lesson L N 1 me. Okay, M E me, A N D and my M Y my family, F A M I L Y family. Okay, next line you have to write first Roman letter keywords. Okay, see K E Y keywords W O R D S keywords. Okay children, okay, before writing you have to sharp your pencil first. Okay children, okay, next first one, what does you have to write? First one, father. Okay, father, F A T H E R, father. Second one, mother, M O T H E R, mother. Okay, third one, parents, P A R E N T S, parents. Next, fourth one, special, S P E C I A L, special. Next, fifth one, favorite, F A V O U R I T E, favorite. Sixth one, siblings, S I B I L N G S, siblings. Seventh one, dress, D R E S, yes, dress. Eighth one, cake, C A K E, cake. Ninth one, dance, D A N C E. Dance. Okay, children. To write 10th one, you have to turn your page and you have to write. Okay, children. See, 10th one, song. S-O-N-G. Song. Okay, children. Like this, you have to complete all the 10 D verbs in your classwork, children. Now we are going to see an activity. Okay, children. Shall we see that? And also you have to complete your book exercise also, children. Okay, we are going to see an activity now. Okay, children. Shall we see an activity now? Here is your activity is about myself. Okay, you have to, what you have to do means you have to record a video and you have to send it to your WhatsApp group. Okay, what you have to record, that I will check. Okay, children. See, what you have to tell means you have to tell my name is. Okay, whatever your name. Here I have written Anit. Okay, whatever your name you have to tell. My name is Anit, and then I am a boy. If you are boy, you can say boy. If you are girl, you can say girl. Okay, I am a boy. I am 6 years old. You are all studying first standard, isn't it? So you are all 6 years, isn't it, children? So you have to tell I am 6 years old. The name of my school is, what is the name of your school? Alpha Matriculation Higher Secondary School. Okay, you have to tell what's the name of your school, children? Alpha Matriculation Higher Secondary School, and I am in class 1, isn't it? So like this, you have to record your video and you have to send in your WhatsApp group, children. Okay, this is your activity, children. Just you have to tell my name is, I am a boy or girl. I am 6 years old. The name of the school, the name of my school is Alpha Matriculation Higher Secondary School, and I am in class 1. Like that, you have to record your video and you have to send it in your WhatsApp group. This is your activity. Okay, children. What we saw? Okay, your homework about homework. What you have to write? You have to write keywords in your classwork note that you already saw the videos. Isn't it, children? So you have to write keywords in your classwork note. And also, what you have to do means you have to complete book exercise. It is in your page number 15, 16. That means choose, match, tick the